Kim and a Hashiv.
Oh, having a man, Kim and Shmeen.
Good ma, I guess Kim and a How.
I'm lost of my top was.
Hashin ma. Jay and Denham a horse.
She Anna Kaharan.
Good ma. I guess Jay and Denham a horse tea.
She Trishna
Good ma. I guess Cùrsa Bogaidh Trish.
Well, how many son Niagara Falls, how many food are going to Kitchener-ish?
Oh, good ma. Smash in. I guess Cùrsa Bogaidh.
Sound Ontario, Hami. She Olama Kahanam, like Ohio, Francis Aper, so for me, as a Velva or some Nublin Skull.
So, Tomac, it's been great having you on the course. Today's the last day. How are you feeling? Did you enjoy the course?
Oh, I enjoyed it a lot. Just my understanding of Gaelic has increased so much from being here for 4 weeks and having the opportunity to speak with fluent speakers all day, every day for most of the week, and it's been great. I really enjoyed it. Having to stay in Gaelic the whole time, it's huge. You don't get that kind of immersion experience if you're learning at university, per se. You're there for an hour 3 times a week, but here you're just completely immersed in it, and so I understand so much more, and I'm able to respond a lot better than I was before.
Jane Tenema Horst.
Smisha Kirstina.
I guess Cùrsa Bogaidh Kirstina.
Sound New Brunswick, Hami. Hami Florida, kind of Halifax, finish. I've really enjoyed the course. It's been great, and I'm definitely not ready for a break. I'm going to be definitely taking more classes and doing more immersions this summer and in the fall too.
Great. Yeah. Would you ever come back and do the course again?
Oh yeah, I'd come back for sure.
That's great.
Yeah.
Jane Tenema Horst.
Sé Rudy a harm.
I guess Cùrsa Bogaidh.
Hami and Mabu. I guess Cùrsa Bogaidh.
Sound Indonesia ham. I guess Kim and a How and you.
Oh, Hami Bell. Hami Bell.
Smabby Bell.
Smabby Bell. Kim and Bogaidh.
Hami Gimma.
The benefit to this course is that you can get the credit for it. So you can either take it for interest's sake, for someone like myself, or you can take it for credit. And we have young students that have taken this course, and in 4 weeks you get a 6 credit course, that's a huge difference compared to taking a course for a whole year and not really having that opportunity for an immersion style.
Yeah.
And I think it's made a real difference for them.
Or in Cùrsa Bogaidh, our immersion course, you've done really well. How have you enjoyed the course?
Well, I've enjoyed it tremendously. I think what's important and what's special about the course is that you're consistently in Gaelic every day. And the instructors, Carmen MacArthur and yourself and others that have helped on site have done a great job. And what is important, I think, as part of that is that the students outside of class continue to speak Gaelic. And it's made a real difference. I know myself, I had some Gaelic coming into it, but it's helped me better understand and improve my vocabulary, and I think it's given me a little bit of a spark to continue with the Gaelic.